good. Hey, hey, heifer. You good.
Oh my
Don't
God,
stab me with
please
your
put me down.
Hey, stop tripping. I do this to Jared all the time.
I know, but I'm
Yeah, but he
freaked out.
gets slammed at the end
Oh
of
my
it.
God, oh my God, please, please, please. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God, please stop
Don't
it.
stab me,
Put me
babe.
down.
Did you say blip?
Please
look.
put me down.
You weigh like a feather. I don't even feel you on me right now.
Oh God.
You ready?
Don't lean
No.
back, Annie. That makes it worse. Just sit upright.
Take it like a man, Dad.
I can't.
You ready?
No.
Ready to get down?
Yes.
You ready?
Oh my God, stop it. No.
Are you ready for that? Wanna play a game?
Why are you tormenting me?
I'm gonna let you down. I'm gonna let you down.
God.
You ready? No,
No.
it's gonna be easy.
No.
You gotta be ready for it, though. Annie.
No, please stop it.
Just go with it.
No. Will you
I'm gonna kneel down slowly.
Oh God, I'm not ready.
See how easy that is?